Hi! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to make this toy monkey with cymbals. So if you like this craft, please support my channel by hitting the subscribe button and don't forget to like and share. So let's get creative, shall we? For this craft, we will be using a corrugated cardboard, an art card with 350 GSM. I found some cake cards, crepe paper or flower wrapper, 1-piece tissue roll, 1 water bottle cap, a double-sided tape, pencil and colorful markers, a ruler, glue, and a pair of scissors. Let's get started. First, take the art card. Measure 20 centimeters by 2 centimeters. And we're going to label this as number 1. Make another strip. This time, measure 15 centimeters by 2 centimeters and label it number 2. Then, cut it. Then take number 1 and find the center. From the middle line, measure and mark 2 centimeters on each side. Take number 2 card strip and do the same thing. You can also align the 2 cards with their center line and copy the lines on each side. Erase the middle line as we don't need it anymore. Then, using a ruler, bend the marked lines for each card strip. Make sure that the edges are aligned and straight. Use glue or double-sided tape to attach the edges of number 1 to number 2. Then slightly bend the number 1 card, following the corner bend of number 2. Do it on both sides. We just created the shoulders and the arms. Next, take the corrugated cardboard. Measure and cut 2 centimeters by 12 centimeters. Measure and mark 2 centimeters for each bend. Then fold it in a zigzag way, following the bend that we made. Insert the zigzag strip between the gaps of the shoulder, leaving 1 square out for the front and 1 for the back. Then apply some glue on the edges to stick them to the shoulders. Then measure and bend 2 centimeters from the edges for the hands. Now let's make some hands using the cardboard. Each hand is about 4 centimeters by 2 centimeters. Then stick the hands to the arms. Now, with the art card, let's draw the face of the monkey. Let's use a toilet roll to trace the round shape and the size as well. Or you may also download the template on the link below. Now trace it with the marker pen. Cut it and trace it to make another shape of a monkey's head. can now color the monkey's face. For the body, take the tissue roll. Measure 5 centimeters around it, leaving at least 3 centimeters for the neck. Then cut along the pencil lines. Let's just add some color to the hands. To make the cymbals, I'm going to use a cake baseboard. You may also use an art card. Measure and cut 2 circles with 7 centimeters in diameter. Find the center and draw a line on it. Take a circle, push and overlap the snipped part, turning into a slightly cone shape. Then add some glue to stick them together. The size of both cymbals should be identical. Then color the cymbals in any color of your choice. Now, take the water bottle cap and stick it at the back of the shoulders. This will make it easier to push for the hands to move. Then we can now attach the shoulders to the body by sticking it on the neck. Cover the body with the fur. I cut an A4 size of crepe paper. Fold it into half and snip at least 3 centimeters in the middle. Place the crepe paper over the body. The slit should be within the neck. Arrange the crepe paper just like a shirt. Then cut the sides for the arms. Make sure to cut not too close to the card strip. Allot some space so it's not too tight and it can move easily. Apply some glue to attach the sleeves together. Apply some glue to cover the body. Then cut the excess paper. Then secure the sides and the bottom with the glue. Then trim the sleeves to make the fur or the hair effect. Apply some glue to keep the card strip from coming out. And apply more glue on the bottom part to keep it steady. Cut another color of crepe paper for the tummy and then stick it to the body. We almost forgot its feet. This is about 5 centimeters by 3 centimeters. Or you can also download the template in the description below. To give some shape to the back of the head, take a piece of a crepe paper and scrunch it. And stick a small piece of crepe paper to the head and cut it. Then wrap the crumpled paper with the remaining crepe paper and stick it to the head. Then attach the head to the face using a glue. Let us now assemble the parts together. Insert the head into the slit and stick it to the neck. Then apply some glue to each cymbals and attach it to each hand. Adjust the cymbals and the arms if needed. Attach the feet to the body. Apply enough glue to keep the monkey steady while standing. And there you have it, your very own DIY toy monkey with cymbals. I hope you had fun making this craft with us today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.